Can y'all guess where we are? If you guess it right, yeah, we're at the gym. And today, actually don't even know what I'm gonna work on today. Yesterday I did legs. I had a nice pump all day. It was actually I didn't think I was there for that long, but I did a good amount of exercises there yesterday. Today might be part 2, or I was also thinking of doing a little bit of back, which we love so much. But yeah, I got my pre-workout right here. I'm going to dry scoop this. Cheers. Let's go.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Oh, baby, you should know this. I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. I know you know this not change, but I'll be the one that always
It's a little later in the day and we're in my kitchen. I'm about to make some dinner, and I decided for tonight I wanted to make some Alfredo, some pasta Alfredo. And then these are the ingredients that I have. I have the cavatappi. I actually never knew the name of this type of pasta, so that's cool. I have some ground beef, and then lately I've been using the Rinaldi classic Alfredo sauce. I think this is cool. I usually use the classical one in the garlic Alfredo, but today we're gonna use this one. I do have my water boiling, and I did put some salt in it. And I think I want to make me a side salad that I'm going to eat now before my actual meal. Is that fat of me to do? I don't know. But while we're waiting for that to cook, I'm definitely going to munch on some salad. actually getting ready for class, and I need to be out in a good 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try to do this really quick. Yo, last night I could not sleep. Yesterday and well, the day before and last night I didn't go to bed until like 3-4 in the morning. I just felt like my mind just couldn't stop running. I'm actually just gonna put on some light foundation. I'm out of my skin tint, which sucks, but I'm gonna re-up on that very soon. If y'all hear something running in the background, it is just me either. I'm not privileged enough to live in a nice weather area like y'all, okay? Y'all, so I recently did a silk press on my hair, and when I tell you there's nothing silky about it, I don't know what happened, but it's not giving what it was supposed to give. I'm gonna put some concealer on my chin. This concealer has really good coverage and it goes a long way. This is why I always spill out my makeup just on my desk, because I can never find anything when it's just in the bag. Guys, so this is actually my birthday month and I am super excited, but I do not have, actually look at me about to forget my powder. I do not have plans currently at this moment, like basically for the month of my birthday, because I do want to take a trip somewhere nice for a spring break. So that's what I'm planning to do, and of course I'm taking you guys with me. You know what sucks? When I was actually editing this video, I realized that a lot of my clips that I recorded, the files got corrupted. I don't know how. I never actually had that happen to me, but yeah, it did. So if anyone knows how to uncorrupt a file, please let me know. It just felt like I just tied my hair up with like a lock. It was just so hard to get out just now. And this is my hair. Freshly washed. I don't know what's going on. Freshly straightened. But she smells amazing. But she's going back up in a bun. And I do plan on getting her hair done. She needs a nice trim, and I want my layers back. It definitely grew out, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to my hair. Also, I'm super excited because we can't fully put in our classes yet, but I did make a mock schedule of my next semester, and that will be my last semester at that school. I am getting up out of there pretty soon. I am graduating this fall, so I'm super excited about that. I feel like that feeling just makes me so delighted. It just feels like a fresh feeling because I have been feeling a little bit down lately. So I just feel like that was something exciting to finally like boost up my mood. I am most likely taking one class this summer, and that will be anatomy, because listen, I gotta get her done, and if I want to be somewhat or even close to a dermatologist, I have to get that together. So we're gonna try that again this summer. If you know, I think it was last semester I had anatomy, but it didn't work with my schedule. I don't know why. The days that I had the class on, I don't even know why they put it on Mondays, but the days that they had class on, it had like a lot of holidays on that day. So we never had actual class that day where I had free, and then they always like move the class, like try to make it up on a different day when I have work. And work already helped me out with my schedule a lot. So, and I work independently, so it was really hard to even change those days, because then I would have to give them they like a 2-week notice to change my days. It was like that strict. So I was like, this is not gonna work out if I keep having to change my days and I keep missing classes. So I just had to drop it. Like, it just had to go. It just wasn't gonna work for that semester. So I found a beautiful teacher. Fingers crossed it goes well. Yeah, I'm willing to give it another try, and that's all that matters. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in class.